Okay, hi, it's me once again, Pulogoko, and I've decided to go ahead and make another video that's concerning the Toyota Factory 2003 Camry system. This is without the JBL, and I just felt that this time I'll use a CD instead of FM. Pardon me because I'm kind of sick and my voice is a bit muffled. So today you're going to hear a demonstration with a CD that's trying to demonstrate more of the bass rhythms and also the treble as well. No more FM radio crap. So anyways, so I don't think I've showed you guys the stereo before. So these up here, so you can see, this is not HD video, so sorry I didn't put in HD because my phone camera is kind of messing up and I'm using my phone camera right now. This one speaker, that's the tweeter, the front left tweeter. This is the, don't think you can see it. That's the front right tweeter. That's the front right 6x9. And this over here is the front left 6x9. Then there's also speakers in the back. There are two 6x9s. So, yeah, two 6x9s in the back. Alright, enough of that. That's over a minute of talking about the stereo system itself. Time to get to the business. I'm sick, so pardon me. So let me find a good track. Okay. This is a good track right here.
BassMechanics.com. BassMechanics.com.
A lot of the bass is hitting. It's at 1/4 volume, so let me turn it up.
Upon your baseboard, I'm coming in for a landing.
Hip-hop music, techno music, hip-hop music, techno music, hip-hop music, techno music, hip-hop music, techno music, hypno, 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 tat, tat, hypno, tat, tat, hypno, 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 tat, tat, hypno, tat, tat, hypno, hypno, tat, 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 hip-hop music, techno music, hip-hop music, techno music, hip-hop music, techno music, hip-hop music, techno music.
Ain't no way y'all stopping us. Cats like us be dangerous. Crazy like we be angel dust. Big winning style and it's a must. A downside winning to the day I die. And this is how we do it down south. Drop the bass, drop the bass,
Drop the bass, drop the bass, drop the bass, drop the bass, drop the bass, drop the bass, drop the bass, drop the bass, drop the bass.
I can turn people more.
Drop the bass, 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 drop the bass. Drop the bass, drop the bass, drop the bass, drop the bass.
So that was one demonstration with one song. I'm going to do one last demonstration because it's heck of hot here. It's in California. So you can see the temperature is 1 sec. Let me get a temperature reading. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's 94 degrees out right now. So I got to get out of this car and get inside. So it's pretty hot here. So one more demonstration. And that will be with a song on here.
Y'all ride with me. Let's ride. Let's ride.
Big body bend down. We be sitting on the rent.
So that's basically the demonstration. This video has been too long, longer than expected. So I'm just going to stop it right here. It's almost 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video.